Hello children, good morning. We are meeting after a long time. Hope you all are good. Today we are going to start a new lesson in social studies. Before going to the lesson, I would like to tell you something about the climate of this week. Let us compare this week's climate and some days back. See, recently, I can say last month, we had lot of rains. Okay, very cool climate we have got. After that, moderate, neither too cool nor too, hot. And at present, you can experience lot of high temperature in our city. Yes or no? It seems like summer completely. Okay, so this is changing day by day. Sometimes, if you go on observing, morning when you get up, do you feel very hot? No. It's very pleasant weather we will have. Neither hot nor cool nor very cool or rains, nothing. So that you feel as if it should continue for a whole day, but it won't be. Once after 8 o'clock, it starts rise in the temperature. Temperature starts rising, increasing. Okay, so by noon, by afternoon, after 12 o'clock, what happens? It will be very hot again. Then, in the evening, so after 1 or 2 o'clock or 2:30 or I can say 3, the temperature starts decreasing. Little coolness you can feel in the atmosphere. Okay. Then what happens after 4 o'clock? Again it starts cooling. Atmosphere starts cooling, and by evening it becomes again pleasant like morning. Okay. This state of atmosphere, which keeps on changing every minute, every hour, every day, we call it weather. We call it weather. Understand? What is weather? Weather is the condition of the atmosphere which keeps on changing every minute, every second, I can say. Within 1 minute, now I am teaching you a lesson. Okay, just now I said it is too hot now. But within a minute, even it can become cloudy also. Or after it becomes cloudy, it starts raining also. We cannot say anything about it. It goes on like that. Okay, then that's why this is weather. This kind of change in the atmosphere is called weather. What is weather? The condition of the atmosphere which keeps on changing every hour, every minute, every moment. It is called weather. Okay, then we always say climate is very nice. Today's climate is very hot. Understand? Climate of Jammu and Kashmir is very cool and pleasant. Climate of Rajasthan is very hot. Climate of coastal area, Mumbai, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, it is humid. What do you mean by this climate? There is difference, weather and climate. This is weather. Weather is quite different from the climate. Then what is climate? Weather word we use, but commonly we say climate is too good, climate is very hot. In summer climate is too hot. Like that we go on discussing. What is this climate? There is not much difference between the climate and the weather. Weather is the change in the atmospheric condition every day, every moment, every hour. But climate is not like that. What is climate? Climate is the average condition of the weather of a particular place. what is this average condition? When it comes to maths, you will understand what is average. Suppose you people in your progress report, do you get same marks in all the subjects? You are going to have 8 subjects, right? Including computer and GK. We add all the marks in your exam, is it not? So, suppose in one subject you get 90, in other subject you get 95. So, if we think Telugu, you may get 80 marks, right? In Hindi, you may get 92 marks. In English, you may get 75 only. In maths, you may get 60 marks. In science, you may get again 90. In social studies, say 95 you have got. Then energy, okay. Let us take these 6 main subjects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, are the marks same here, what I showed on the blackboard? No, they are not the same. How many subjects are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Out of for 6 subjects, you have got different marks. Marks are not the same here. So we add these marks. So 0 plus 2 plus 5, 7 plus 5, 12. Carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9, 9, 9, 18, 18 plus 7, 25, 25 plus 6, 31, 31 plus 9, 40, 40 plus 9, 49. So total you got 492. Then what is the average marks you got? What we do here, we divide this total marks with the number of subjects. Then you get average. 6 8 48 you get. 1 remains. Then 2 you will get down. 4, 6 2s are 12. In this way, average marks you got 82. What is the average? Average nothing but the sum of the marks of all the subjects divided by the number of subjects. This is how you got average marks. In this way, even temperature also or climate of a place is also an average of the weather condition of that particular place. Where are we all staying? We are in Telangana, right? How is the climate of Telangana? Hot and dry. Rainfall is not so much. Hot and dry climate we have. How do we decide? On the whole, it is hot and dry. Yesterday it rained? No, teacher, it is rainy also, you can say. No, teacher, in the winter it is so cool climate. Okay, that is okay. But on the whole, average when we study, it is hot and dry climate we have in Telangana. How do we find out? Hot and dry climate. How it is hot and dry? What is this climate then? Climate is also an average of the weather condition of a particular place. Suppose today's temperature and humidity will be different. Even in your phones also nowadays you get your own area's temperature. You study it. Or newspaper you see, Hyderabad వాతావరణము అని తెలుగులో వస్తుంది, వెదర్ అని డీసీలో వస్తుంది. You just observe it. What you have today, it cannot be tomorrow. What you have tomorrow, it cannot be day after. Like this, you observe 1 week's weather condition. Then, what we do, what is common on all the 7 days, what is common, that is considered to be the climate. Today 35 degrees, tomorrow 40 degrees it can be, day after tomorrow it can be lesser than that, like that. But the people study, meteorologist అని అంటాము, The person who studies weather condition is called meteorologist. Spelling is METERIOLOGIST, meteorologist అంటాము. Meteorology is a science of weather. He studies the weather condition and he comes to the conclusion. He comes to the decision that after studying the weather of a particular place for so many days, he will come to the conclusion that the climate is so and so in particular place. Understand what? As I showed you the calculation of marks and showed you the average marks, same way he studies the weather condition, humidity, rainfall and even temperature of a place for some days. Then he takes the average of that, calculates the average of that and comes to the conclusion. Suppose only rainfall is less, every day it cannot be there, and there is fluctuation, changes in the humidity and rainfall and even temperature. So in that way humidity is less, rainfall is totally less, only hot climate, hot weather is there, then it is considered to be the hot and dry climate. What is the hot and dry climate? How do we know? By calculating the weather condition for some days. That is called weather. So our lesson is weather versus climate. Our lesson name is weather versus climate. So what is weather? I already told. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere which keeps on changing every hour, every day, almost of every moment also I can say. That is called weather. Then what is climate? Climate is the average of this weather condition of a particular place. It cannot be the same everywhere in the whole world. Why whole world? You take India only. In hilly regions it is cool and pleasant. In desert very hot. In our area Telangana, Andhra Pradesh hot and dry. And if you go to the north it is very cool. Understand? So like that it keeps on changing. It cannot be the same. After studying the weather condition for so many days, they will come to the conclusion that the weather of climate of that place is so and so. Like that we will have different climatic conditions in different places. It is not the same in all the places. It all depends on the heat it receives, rainfall, humidity, etc. Okay, then this is weather and that is climate. Weather is the day-to-day change in the atmosphere. Climate is the average of the changes in the atmosphere every day. That is climate. It is studied for a longer time. It remains the same for a longer time. It can suppose it is hot and dry for months together. It cannot change. But weather changes every day, every moment. Climate cannot change. Okay. So we are going to have a lesson on weather and climate. This is what weather and climate. I made it clear the concepts of weather and climate. Now, how can we say weather changes day by day? Or how can we say climate is not the same everywhere, every time? How do we know about it? How do we know about it?
6 minutes.
Okay, for that we have one method. That is what means we are going to study the factors which affect the climate of a particular place. Weather will keep on changing. We don't need to worry about it. Then climate, which remains the same for a longer time, how does it be determined, decided by the meteorologists? some factors rule the climate of a place. The factors which determine the climate of a place are there are some factors, some features which influence the climate of a place, which affect the climate of a place. They are first, distance from the equator. Distance from equator, okay. Second thing, distance from the sea. Okay. Third, humidity and rainfall. Humidity and rainfall. Fourth, ocean currents. Then, altitude of a place. And last, direction of winds. Direction of winds. So, these are the 6 factors which affect the climate of a place. How can it affect? I am going to teach you in my next class. But first you know what are the factors. First is distance from the equator or temperature, which affects the climate of a place. Distance from the sea. Third, humidity and rainfall. Fourth, ocean currents. Fifth, altitude. And sixth, direction of winds. These are the 6 factors which determine the climate of a place or which affect the climate of a place. We are going to study about each one in a detailed manner in my next class, that is tomorrow. So that's it for today, children. Just I gave the introduction. Tomorrow we are going to learn in detail. Thank you.